hard act to follow, hard pill to swallow. My dad used to find a demon in bottle. Now he clean as a whistle, a beneficial. Fixing gains for the fiscal. The top is hot, so I done turn into a heat-seeking missile. Keep my head up on a swivel and a mouth full of gristle. I got my flows off the muscle, boy, the shit in my bones. If I wasn't meant to rap, I'd probably leave it alone. But as of now, it's 4 labels throwing plays on my phone. Eating cinnamon French toast and some vitamin socks. They fiending over the features like I'm selling them rocks. My door starting to splinter, had to tell them to stop. My floor hot in the winter, shoes melt in a box. Kicking game with my lawyer at a beachfront estate. She got me grip and put the loot up in the elephant nose. Young Anubis thumbs covered in bruises, investigating the jeweler. My neck can tell if he Judas. In Broward County I'm rooted. When I go home it's a movie. Got 2 Medusas on me, turn my pole to stone and wrap around it. It look like caduceus. The choker fit like a noose and I need it loosened. The satisfaction elusive, so I'm never complacent. Navy Preem dead stock, red BOGO and blazing. It costs dummy racks now, if I don't flip it I'm crazy. Yelling free the ruler while I mud walking some masons. Look behind me, I've been leaving stains all on the pavement. Money adjacent and it offset the pressure I'm facing. I ain't the king yet, but I'm patiently waiting.